In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Updates category from your Gmail. Managing your email efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity, and one way to do that is by decluttering your inbox. By the end of this video, you'll have a cleaner, more streamlined Gmail experience, free from unnecessary categories like updates that you might not need. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Gmail. Log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once inside your inbox, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. This icon represents the settings for your Gmail account. Click on it to bring up a quick settings menu. Within this menu, find and select the See All Settings button, which will take you to the full settings page, opening up a plethora of customization options. Once in the full settings page, focus your attention on the tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Inbox. This section controls various aspects of how emails are categorized and displayed. Now, you'll see a section called Categories. Gmail automatically sorts messages into primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. To remove the Updates category, simply uncheck the box next to Updates. This will remove the specific tab from your Gmail interface, and emails that were previously categorized under Updates will now flow into your primary tab. This step is crucial for reducing distraction from emails that might not be as important or urgent. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and remember to click the Save Changes button. This will apply the changes you've just made, eliminating the Updates category from your Gmail. Without saving, your progress won't take effect and the tab will remain. By following these steps, you've taken control over how incoming emails are grouped and can focus better on the messages that truly matter to you. If at any point you decide you want the Updates category back, you can easily re-enable it by revisiting the settings page and checking the box again. Before I go, here's a cool tip. You can manage even more categories in the same way and tweak how Gmail behaves by exploring other settings tabs. It's all about tailoring your inbox to work for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your digital life.